Hi everybody, I'm Mike and this is...
I'm Diane.
Yes, and I asked her to be here today because she is an engineer.
Hey, 3 times over.
Yeah, it's like a scientist, but practical.
Practical.
Yes, profitable too.
Sometimes.
At any rate, what we're going to do is we have some dry ice left over from our experiment yesterday, and Diane was good enough to actually go and buy it, so this is really cool to include her today. So what we're going to do is we just take this bottle, and we're going to put some dry ice in it, and the nice thing is that at least today, the pieces are big enough to fit.
Now, I missed the video yesterday. This is water frozen.
This is not frozen water. This is solid carbon dioxide.
I knew that.
Yes, and it sublimes, but it turns into a gas that we can't see.
He said it's sublime.
It's
Much like us, right?
it more sublime.
Yeah.
So everybody knows. So we have some dry ice in here. Don't need a whole heck of a lot. And what we're going to do is we're going to add some water to it now. And after we add the water, I've got a cup that has a hose running through it. And then there is a lid for that cup as well. And we're going to just dip it into this soapy water and see if we can make some bubbles.
It's pretty good engineering there.
I think so. It can always be better, so that's your job for today.
Oh, that's so cool. Sorry.
No problem. So now we're going to have, you see all the steam that's coming out of here.
Is it steam?
No, it's not steam, it's condensed water vapor. Thank you for understanding. Okay, so we pull it out.
Come on, work.
Oh,
That is cool.
I saw that, but sometimes it didn't work a little bit.
It
We
worked
have an
perfect.
audience.
Have a great time. So, do the thing you did yesterday with your hand. Put
Oh,
the
yeah?
hand
Yeah?
in.
Was that cool? No, I liked it when you said it can't be done.
Well-
And then I did it. That was way more fun.
That was way more fun. All right.
Oh! Check it out! I have the power of bubbles. Oh, you can put your hand inside. You can put your thumb inside it. Ooh.
How many studs does it have on across?
What if you can't add any more? Oh!
How many studs?
Oh!
Can you count?
I want to put them up. Oh! Do you think I can lift this? Oh!
You can actually capture the bubble there on your hand. And it's going to have some safety glasses. It's going to have some condensed water vapor in there, which is the smoke that you're seeing. So this will produce for a little while. It's really kind of cool to see. And you can do this with just little chunks of dry ice and a little bit of water. So,
Which, if you live near places where you go fishing and the beaches are closed, there might be some places that you can go and get dry ice just out of it's kind of like a vending machine.
yep.
So,
Have a wonderful science engineering day, guys. Take care.
bye.